Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Life with Erica. I know it's been a minute. Life has been very crazy lately. As you know, my sister-in-law and her boyfriend and my niece was living here. They just now are moving out. Hopefully today. It's been a long time. And I think I have OCD because I noticed, like, with their stuff, they tried to neatly have it put somewhere, but I think just the fact that there was stuff where it don't go in my little brain, I was having a hard time. And then there's, like, the aspect of two separate families trying to live together. It was just a bunch of stuff. I think not yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was the first full day without them actually here, which is fine. I miss my niece. I think we'll be okay. I think it was a thing, and it wasn't like a huge big blowout or anything like that. It was just different. So I still love them. They're gonna live nearby now. It's all good. I'll be able to see my niece hopefully more often, so I don't have to go a year without seeing her now. So that'll be nice. At least until we move. So, but I got an Ipsy box, and I had like a small little Ulta haul because I saw something and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy that for myself. So first I got this because I plan on getting the e.l.f. version of this thing, and it was like $30 and everybody's been talking about it. It's that Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. It even comes with that thing they tell you to mix it with. I have a little tiny tube of this too. I had some samples I got with it. I don't know what I did with them. You would think they'd be here somewhere, but who knows where they are. So I got the blush one. The blush is a little out there, but it might work, especially since you're mixing it with something. There's the blush. Go ahead and paint my knuckles with it. Once you blush blend it out, it's it's more of a skin tint, like a rose color skin tint. Rose drops, of course. And then these are the bronzing drops. And I noticed something about these. I don't know if it's just my skin tone, but when there's how they look when you barely do it. Then as you keep going and blend it, okay, I must have put a lot or something. I don't have a rat. Oh, there it is. Alright, I'm trying to get it off my hands so I could try to blend it better. I have a beauty blender right here. I just did a little bit of makeup. Very little makeup, as you can tell. Mostly because I've been outside with the chickens and Eric. You can see where it stops. But it's a nice, like a tan color. Like, you could probably fake some people out with this. Look, you can tell I've been outside a lot. Look at my watch. Watch this. You can see where the watch goes on my hand. Oh, Lordy. I plan on restarting the 75 soft challenge because I started it like a few days before they got here and before one of our good friends passed away. One of our good friends passed away the night before we went and got them. And it was Jason's best friend, like best friend. I mean, he was very sick. He was hardly ever out and about, but yeah, that happened. So it's been a month and a half from like a lot of different aspects, and I'm hoping to get back to normal. My eyes, I got something in my eye the other day, in this eye. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it's still really irritated. I was cleaning out the cabinet. Okay, I know this is videos all over the place. I was cleaning out the cabinet. This is a Natasha Denona new palette, the golden palette. And Jason had made, I don't know if y'all have ever seen them at the store. I don't know what they're called. But they're jalapenos with onions and carrots, like diced jalapenos. And they got the carrot sliced in there, and some onions and some other stuff. He had a word for them. I can't remember. If y'all know the word for them, let me know. I just know they usually come in a can. He did his own, and one of the little jars fell out when I was moving the jars over, trying to make room for their snack food that they were buying when they were here, because my pantry just doesn't have room for snack food. I have food in there, but it fell, and I went to pick it up, and I used a sponge, and I threw the glass away, and then I was checking my trunk to see if I had jumper cables, because I know it's something I should have, but I don't have them. I have roadside assistance with our insurance. I probably need to go buy some, and probably need to buy there should be a jack in there in the bottom next to the donut tire. But when I shut the trunk, I don't know what happened, but something flew in my eye, and I had washed my hands, but anybody who's ever dealt with jalapenos, you know, and I touched my eye trying to get it out, and I opened it up, and I was trying to get it, and I don't know if it was a little piece of sand, I don't know if there was like maybe a tiny sliver of glass, whatever, but it got on my eye, and today is the first day that it's not like hurting, but it's draining. So my eyes are like really weird looking when I'm looking at them right now in the mirror and the viewfinder thing, because they look all glossy. But I've been putting drops in both of them because this eye was irritated because I guess because it was doing most of the work. But this eye was not having a good day. This is what the outside of this is what I originally ordered from Sephora for, because when you look at it inside, I don't know what it is. These colors just, they said, buy me. I'm going to do a video on this, though. So I'm not going to swatch them right here. I swatched some, and they are so gorgeous. Of course, Natasha Denona never misses. The only thing I probably don't like is now there's fingerprints all over the front. All right, let's get to the Ipsy, right? All right, I think the Ipsy costs me about $33 a month on, that's with taxes, everything out the door on my PayPal. And I get the regular one that used to be BoxyCharm. It is BoxyCharm because it literally says Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, Refreshments. So, alright. And then I chose all my items because there was just, I think this is mostly skincare. I think it was worth $177. I wrote it down somewhere, but like I said, everything's been crazy. This says BoxyCharm, sunny days ahead. And I love how it looks like that's a sunscreen, doesn't it? Oh, it doesn't say. Slay sun-kissed looks, get your glow getter essentials. And inside it has behind June's theme, which makes sense that there was a lot of skincare products when you look at this. So they're trying to, which is good, let's face it. Alright. We have the Wander Beauty Wanderlust. I think this is powder foundation in medium. I thought I fixed my color scheme on there. I must not have. Watch this be too dark. Oh, I love this little component look. It does look like it might be too dark, but I'm going to gently take this out. No, it might be just right. I like the little poofs. This reminds me like the CoverGirl when we were little. Some of us had the little, it was thinner than this, and that was the powder I used. I had that thing forever, and the sponges always ended up looking horrible. Who else had that? Because I loved it, and I still had it to a couple of years ago. I had one, and it was like, and some days, like the other day, I was actually thinking about it. I was like, oh my god, I really miss that. For when I'm putting powder on, I was able to get it in so many good spots. Sorry. Okay, Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer for sensitive skin with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30 by First Aid Beauty. Something's wrong with the box. Did they take the... Why did they take just the... Alright. They took the, you know when you buy something, they took this off. Like, when you look at it, that's weird. That kind of makes me nervous. They literally just took, like, your proof of purchase thing off the bottom. I gotta watch some of their videos and see if they did that with other people's. It says it doesn't expire till the January 2026. So I'm not gonna use it, but this is what it looks like at the top. I'm not gonna use it right now. I heard they have really good moisturizers, and that would probably be a good one for during the day in the summer. My niece asked me the other day in the pool why I had these spots everywhere on my face. They're getting worse, and that's probably because I was using retinol and then I was forgetting to use sunscreen. Oh, there we go. It must have just ripped off in the box. Alright, so nothing weird happening here. But that was a little just, I mean, it doesn't even look like it ripped off in the box, sort of. I mean, maybe it does. But it was just so neatly ripped across. Alright. Steel Skin Renewal Eye Masks. This is retinol eye masks because your eyes deserve the best. These power retinol eye masks help rewind time, bring out the most youthful glow. It works improving the look of uneven skin tone, which is what I usually have. I think I've been doing pretty good with my eyes though, but that's nice. I like this. 6 sets of 2. Put them on. Incorporate in skincare. Apply simply cleanse dry face. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week after, and you gently massage it onto your skin. I'm not going to open, but I'm going to use these, and I'll let y'all know. I've got a few skincare things I've been using lately I need to let y'all know about. Then I got the Real Her Ceramide Primer. I like the Real Her products. I'm not going to open this because I'm not sure if I have it already. Do I have it already? This before? I don't see it. But just in case, do I have like a spray maybe? I remember getting something. Hey baby. Alright, go get your milk. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and at least open the box, and if I do have it, then I will put it back in the box and get y'all, put this in a giveaway box, which is coming up. Real Her Dream Without Limits. This is what it looks like. And it says once you open it, it is good for 12 months. You gonna say hi? Say hello? No, he's not gonna say hello. Like I said, this video is gonna be... I do believe we're getting some Walmart boxes soon. Also, so... It's been a minute since I sat and talked with everyone, so... Yeah. Here you go. Go drink your milk. He will be 15 in 2 weeks. Yes. 2 weeks. On the 28th. His birthday party is the 29th. He will be 15 in 2 weeks. Time flies. Alright. And this says ceramide, which I believe ceramide is really good for the skin. It says ingredients, water. Doesn't say what it's supposed to do. It just says ceramide product things. Apply primer to clean face. Use gentle circular motions to blend it into the skin. Wear alone or under foundation. Okay, and the last thing is Grown Alchemist Polishing Face Exfoliant, because I've been using the exfoliant because I've been using the retinol, so I've been running out of exfoliants, believe it or not. And it looks like this. This is how it's supposed to sit, I think. Nope. Well, the thing is here. And it's a polishing facial exfoliant. It says it has pink grapefruit, glucosamine extract, pamplemousse rose extract. I don't know what that is. See what it says. Certified toxic free, 100% natural. Evolution of healthy, scientific, advanced formulas. Use it. It's got vitamin C in it. Directions: a damp face, facial, skin, neck, and décolleté. Gently massage and rinse off with warm water. Avoid contact with eyes. Rinse well. It doesn't tell you how many times to use it, but I would say when it comes to exfoliants, only use it once a week. But it's Grown Alchemist. Because exfoliants, it like removes dead skin and everything, and if you do it like every day, you're gonna hurt your skin instead of help it. But there's a lot of skincare in here, and I just went through my skincare drawer, so like some of this might end up going to y'all. But it was very, and I made it skincare heavy because I've noticed I've been moving away from wearing a lot of makeup. Oh gosh, I haven't done my roots, and I'm not gonna do my roots because it's literally just the roots in the front and all through my hair. But I'm getting in the chlorine, so there's no use in doing my roots. And who knows, maybe I'll just lean into the gray and dye my hair gray. Or not, because I think that'll age me, make me look a lot older than I am. I don't know. I just enjoy talking to y'all, and I've missed y'all, and I just haven't had the energy. My blood sugar's acting up, and I found out that stress can mess with your blood sugar too. That was awesome to find out because I live at a constant level of stress. So, whoosa, right? Anyways, if you're new here, I am so sorry this video is crazy, but that is how my life has been lately. And I'm trying to just get better about it. I've been listening to You Are a Badass. It's a book. Hopefully I don't get censored for that. And I'm about to listen to a couple of other ones, including some autism ones, to help me with my son. Because if you're new here, my son is severely autistic. I homeschool. I have chickens. I have a garden. We're looking for some land so we can have a bigger garden and more chickens because I don't have enough to do. Yeah. And I just want to add more because, I mean, who wouldn't want to be working from sun up to sundown doing random things? And I've been getting my house back in order. So, and I also didn't sleep yesterday. So, yeah. I feel like I look messed up, but I can promise if you did a drug test, the only drugs that are in my system are the ones that are prescribed. Oh my gosh, this video is so crazy. Anyways, I love y'all, and I hope to see you in the next one. I hope I don't scare anyone off. I'll have to do a get ready with me chit chat or something because everything's just been so crazy and my mind has been going crazy, and it feels like, you know, when you have that friend that you could tell things to, your life just like goes and like everything just comes out. That's what I feel like when I talk to y'all, but I have to be careful. So anyways, I love y'all. I hope you have a great day. If you're new here and you love this crazy video, please subscribe and like the video. I'd appreciate it. We are trying to get up to at least 1,000. We'll see. If not, I'm happy with what I got with just the ones that are here. So I love y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.